Welcome. We're going to practice a 10-minute guided body scan meditation. I will be guiding this practice. My guidance is just an invitation. If at any point you feel discomfort or resistance, you can open your eyes, shift your body, like tapping your foot, shaking your hands, blinking your eyes, or you can stop the practice altogether. I invite you to choose now a posture that's best for you. This practice can be done sitting, reclining in a car seat, sitting in a chair, lying down on a couch or a bed, or even standing up in a break room or outside. Whichever posture you choose, you can adjust your position to be both comfortable and alert. You may close your eyes now, or you can leave your eyes open with a soft downward gaze. In this practice, we will bring awareness to the sensations in our hands, arms, and shoulders. We will move gently from one area to the next, and as we do this, you may notice pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral sensations. You may notice tingling, pulsation, warmth, coolness, itching, tightness, or nothing, no sensation. Allowing whatever arises to be just as it is. There's no need to fix or change a thing. Experiencing these sensations with compassion and curiosity, what is unfolding in the body, as well as in the mind and the emotions. So let's begin. Allowing yourself to rest in stillness, beginning by noticing the breath moving in and out of the body. Now shifting your awareness to your hands, the tips of your fingers. Maybe the feeling of clothing if they're laying in your lap, or the feeling of the fabric if they're touching a couch or a chair. The tips of your fingers moving to the joints, your knuckles. Moving your awareness to your palms, the insides of your hands. Notice if there's any tingling, pulsation, warmth, coolness, moisture, or no sensation. What does no sensation feel like? Moving your awareness to the backs of your hands. Feeling the air sweeping across your skin in this moment. Gently moving your awareness to your wrists. Are they cold, warm, pulsating, tingling? Is there a tightness, a looseness, or anything? Just noticing without judgment. Continuing up to your forearms, the lower part of your arm. Noticing sensations on the lower part of your arm hair, the muscles on the top of your arm, the muscles on the lower part of your arm. Noticing any sensations or feelings in your forearms and how they connect to the wrist and your fingers and thumbs. Gently moving up to your elbow and the part of your elbow that is the funny bone. Breathing your breath, sending breath to your elbows and forearms. Now moving your awareness to the upper part of your arms where your biceps live. The inner part of your upper arms. What do they feel like? What sensations can you identify? Coolness, warmth, tingling, pulsation, or no feeling? Moving your awareness to the back of your arms where your triceps live, the back muscles. Noticing any sensations there. Without judgment, just noticing with curiosity and compassion for your body. Scanning up to your shoulders, the tops of your shoulders and the sides where your deltoids are, and the top of your shoulders where your trapeziuses live. What do they feel like? Is there tension, tightness, looseness, warmth, coolness, moisture, dryness? Without changing a thing, you can send your breath to any parts of your hands, arms, or shoulders. Noticing without judgment the sensations in these parts of your body. As we complete this body scan, taking a moment to observe your breath and your body just as it is, connected, alive, whole, just as you are. Resting in silence and stillness. As we come to a close of this practice, appreciating that you have taken the time to pause and cultivate your capacity in this moment to be present and to nurture yourself in this way. Gently opening your eyes when you're ready, and before getting up, gently moving, stretching your hands or your arms as needed, cradling yourself, listening to yourself, getting up slowly when you're ready. Remembering that connecting to your body in this way is an act of self-care, which you can access throughout your day.